All right, let me try D1. In competition, Ariane has 10 turns, each with 3 dots. So here, now we have 10 turns. One thing that you need to know is either you make it a dot or not make it a dot. So this time it's going to be a binomial. Okay, because we have only two options. Above, we use x as the random variable with normal distribution, and now we are going to do different one. Let's say y. Y is the one that we can say scored. Okay, we can say this one, the random variable number of point scored. Okay, number of points that was scored. So it says that random variable B 10 turn. So 10, and I need to put the probability here. But probability above that we find that this one is not scored. Not scored, right? So scored means 1 minus not scored. Dot, dot, dot. So this will give me 0.539949 dot, dot, dot. So I'm going to put this one in here. Scored will be 0.539949 dot, dot, dot. Okay, that's what's going to be. So let's do a DI. Find the probability that Ariane scored at least 5 points. Aha, at least 5 points. That means I need to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah, blah, blah. It keep going, right? So probability, this is what I need to find. But here, binomial, the calculator TI-84, I want you to remember, this calculator can only calculate cumulative probability. So, which means that only probability x is a less than number. So this one is a greater than number. So this means that in this example, you should use a conversion. So probability, TI-84, y is greater than equal to 2. That means we can do 1 minus probability y is less than equal to, what number do you think? Less than equal to 4. So I don't need a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I only need a 5, 6, 7, 8 above the number. So in order to find this one, 1 minus second vars and binomial CDF. Let me go to CDF and trial. We only have 10. Probability 0.539949 dot, dot, dot. That which is the scored. X value 4. So when you do like that, it will end up getting 0.716650 dot, dot, dot. Okay, so that gives me 3 sticker fig 0.717. Remember, when it comes to binomial, TI-84 only calculate accumulation of this less than equal to. So in order to find it greater than equal to, you have to use 1 minus conversion, okay? 1 minus what we do not need. That's what you're going to do. Okay? If other way, there's one more way to do it. So like above the question that we had probability of random variable, we need to do x, y, z. We cannot use a z. Z is representing normal distribution too. So let's say P, Q, R. Okay, random variable. I need to pick something different than y, something different than x, something different than z. So variable 10 trial not scored is 0.46050 dot, dot, dot. This is a not scored, okay? So when you do that, probability, random variable, less than equal to 5. That less than equal to, we can use a TI-84 for. So you can just simply go binomial, CDF, 10 trial, and probability of 0.46005 dot dot dot. And what are we gonna do? Hang on, let me 0.46050 and 5 and paste it. In this case, we will get same value, which is 0.716650. So 3 sig fig. Either way you can play, okay? Either way you can do it. Okay, this is the answer. And D2, find the probability that Ariane scores at least 5 points and less than 8 points. So this one gives me probability between 5 to 8, right? So I need a 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So in this case, you can do binomial PDF, and you can do 5. So what you can do, go to PDF, and then you do y equal to 5 plus y equal to 6 plus y equal to 7, because 8 is not included. Okay, you can do like that and you add them all. Or if you want to do in between, you go to math, summation, x equal to, start with the 5, finish with the 7, and then go to second, vars, and binomial PDF. When you go to binomial PDF, you are going to do trial as 10 and probability as a 0.539949, and x, you just put x. Okay, let me double check. Math, summation, in x, start with the 5 and finish with the 7 because 8 is not included. Second, bars, in binomial PDF, trial was 10, probability was 0.539949, and x value, just put x, no number, okay, and then paste it. And when you do, if you follow that way, your answer will be 0.627787 dot dot dot. So my 3 sig figure is 0.628. That's how you're gonna get your answer.